How to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. For that, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Now, make sure to sign into your account. In order to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories, tap on the Your Story option. Now, you want to tap and hold on any photo or video, then select multiple stories from here. Now tap on the next option. Here, you want to select the separate option. As you can see, there are multiple stories now. If you want to put the same song, you first of all have to tap on the music icon on the first story. Now, you want to choose a music from here. You can also search it by tapping on the Search Music tab and here search for any song that you want. After you have selected the music, remember where this song ends. Then tap on the Done option. Now tap on the second story. Here you want to tap on the music icon again and select the same song. Once you select the same song, as you can see, it starts from the same place where it ended in the first story. So you can simply tap on the Done option. Tap on the next option. Now tap on the Share option. And once you do that, you have successfully put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.